Yeah, hi guys. I'm resuming the video. So I just created the Linux missions with uh, this kernel version. Okay. So you name -r. So it is under 6 only. So 5.10. Okay. The worker node also same. You name -r. Fine. And if you observe the host name also same only. I mean I default one only. Fine. So now let me log in the master server and I will execute. So let me remove this is the old IP. So let me replace if config hyphen a. Fine. So this is the IP guys. Now I need to use this IP. Let me replace this. Oh sorry. Okay. So this is the new IP. Let me mention as a new IP. Now I need to replace this new IP here. Then let me execute the command. We will see whether this kernel is compatible or not. Okay, so based on that we will see guys. I'm mastering, see I'm master node only. I need to execute this command. Let us see. Yes, this time it is not making any issue with the kernel. See the Docker version it is expecting 18.09, but anyhow it is warning only. So it is ignoring the Docker because Docker we have installed the 20 version, right? So that is also yes. Now it is pulling the images, guys. Let it be. It may take some time. Fine. So meantime we will walk through the on worker node steps. Okay. So on worker node steps, this is the after executing this command, you need to perform this. We have to create a user called cube admin. Okay, so there you need to provide all the steps, and you have to main thing, guys. You have to install the CNI, so container network interface. So Calcio we are using here. So FluentD, some people are using FluentD. Okay, so here I am executing the Calico. Okay, so Calico that I will explain guys why we need to install that also we will see. Okay, so once you done this cube admin init command, you have to perform this. It says pulling. Yes, successfully completed, guys. Okay, successfully completed. So here what you need to do, you need to create one user called. So let me create user called cube admin. Okay, Linux command user add username user created. You can verify with the ID. See, admin has been cube admin has been created. Now simply follow these steps. Okay, so and execute one by one, because we are providing Kubernetes cluster access to that user with help of these commands. Fine. So changing the ownership also. Fine, done guys. That's it. You can perform this. Now Calico you need to deploy actually. So simply you can switch to the this user and perform. So now onwards, whatever you want to perform any activity in the Kubernetes cluster, you must switch to this user, guys, because that is the reason we provided only for this user the cluster access. Okay, so I'm switching to this user. Which user? Cube admin user. Okay, so here you can check kubectl get nodes. We will see. Okay, so this is a not ready state. It is in the not ready state because in the backend, if you want to use this server, if you want to use this cluster, you must enable the any one of the CNI. Okay, so if you walk through the official document, you will come to know about the CNI. So why it's required in your cluster. Okay, so that's the reason I am installing the CNI here with help of this command kubectl create. Okay, so let me copy both commands. Okay, and execute this command. This will be deploying one pod in the backend. Okay, so let me execute this. Let it be. Fine, it's created. Done, guys. Now verify kubectl get nodes. See, still it is not coming. You can execute until it will get come ready. Sorry, this command only. Yes, now it is in the ready state. See, if you are not installing any CNI, you cannot initialize your server ready. You cannot start your server as ready. Okay, so that's you must install any one of the CNI. Okay, that is also after switching into the kube admin user. Make sure if you are performing the same command with help of the root, it won't be working. Fine. So these are the steps on master until here completed. Now simply you can use this command. Okay, so you can generate the token, and the token you can simply copy into your worker node, then you can execute. That's it. So now I am going to perform the on worker node steps. See, third one, that is our third step, right? Third stage on worker node. So simply here generate the token, generate the giant token. Okay, so where you need to execute this one, you need to execute on master only. Okay, then copy it, and execute from worker. That's it, guys. Okay, where you want to copy, you want to copy it from the master server. How to generate the token, you can google it, guys, simply, if you are not sure about the token. So kubeadm token create, this is the command. Okay, even if you are not sure, you can google it simply. Let me execute this command. Okay, not this one. Let me find out from the google how to generate giant token in kubernetes. Okay, kubeadm token. Okay, so kubeadm create. That's it. Let me copy this. Sorry. Oh, the same command only executed. Huh? Okay. Maybe they enhanced. Maybe if you check in the above, so there will be a after creating. Yes, this is the command. Okay. So I will let you know later how to generate this. Okay. So kubeadm join. Okay. So this command you need to execute in the worker node. Fine. You can execute this command in the worker node. So let me go and log in the worker node. Execute this. That's it. Could not validate the identify API. Okay. It's a warning only. Both all are warning. Okay. You can validate identify API. Okay. Let me check. Let me go and check here. Cube, kubelet, kubectl, get nodes. Still one only. Oh, you need to generate this command from the root user, maybe kubeadm command, right? Yes, kubeadm command. Kubeadm token create command. This is the command, right? What is the command? Cube kubeadm token create. Let me copy this. Kubeadm token create. Let me copy this. I am also not sure. No, it won't make any sense. Yeah, it won't make any sense. Let me find out the command to generate the token and we'll execute. Use the output from this command, previous step from the master server and run here. Yes, yeah, that I know. Let me find out the command from properly. Cube ADM, this is not create token. Somewhere I have copied my command. Cube Cube ADM token generate. Oh, this is the one. Okay, but join token. Now copy join command output from the master node, execute on the worker node. Kubedium token report. Okay, I think print join command. Okay, first we need to execute this. Maybe we can generate the token. Okay, and we will pass the token here. Yeah, here let me replace the token. Here only it is right. Let me replace the token here. Now let me execute this one. This token ID bonus already exists. Okay, let me execute that command in the worker node. Oh, such file. Oh, sorry guys. I'm replaced this code, the token, with the new token and executing this command. Let us see. Oh, this is also not giving the proper result. Let me check it again. Yeah, finally I found out this command kubeadm token create print hyphen this one. So let me copy this command and you can paste in the worker node. Definitely it's supposed to work it guys. Yes, that's it guys. So now you can verify, go and verify. So from the master server kubectl get nodes. So kubectl, yeah, make sure guys this command you need execute from the cube admin user. Okay, then only it will work. Kubectl get nodes. See, successfully we have installed and configured the cluster as well. Okay, so the command what I have executed, this is the command to generate the token guys. Let me save it here. Fine. So yes, so leave forget about all these commands. So this command where you need to master, so whatever the output is coming, right, so that complete output you can paste in the here, this complete output. Fine, that's it. Don't take exact values, you might get error. Fine, so you can take the your relevant outputs. Fine. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Uh, that's it for this video. So next video we will see the deployments. Okay. Thank you.